Hello engineers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. By the way, this is Engineer Jivan Aiko Kalaki at sa araw na to is magdi-discuss tayo ng isang matinik series to which yung magiging topic natin is calculator techniques in solving cosine law problem. Okay, without further ado, let's start our discussion. So may problem tayo dito engineers. So yung problem natin is given the triangle as shown below. So ito yung triangle natin. Solve for the distance z. Ulitin natin. Given the triangle as shown below, solve for the distance z. So kung titignan natin yung ating triangle engineers is meron tayong tatlong side to which yung pinakaunang side natin is 6.5 units. Yung ikalawang side is 9.4 units at yung pinakamataas na side is variable z or our unknown distance. Then opposite to the longest distance or the longest side is meron tayong angle na 131 degrees or meron tayong interior angle na 131 degrees. So given this all parameters or all values, ano daw yung magiging value ng ating distance z? Okay, let's try to solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So ito yung magiging Caltech solution natin, engineers. So go to or puntahan lang natin yung mode 2. So sa calculator natin engineers, enter mode and then 2. So this is complex mode. Then after natin ma-input yan, input natin tong formula na to. So simple lang yung gagawin natin. Ano yung mga given distance or given side? 6.5 at saka 9.4. So simple lang yung gagawin natin. Input lang natin yung 6.5 and then subtract natin yung pangalawang side. So we have 6.5 minus 9.4 and then lagyan natin ng angle. Ano yung given angle natin? 131 degrees. So ulitin natin. Absolute value of the first distance or the first sides which is 6.5 minus the second side which is 9.4 and then angle of 131 degrees. So sa calculator natin, input natin yan engineers. Absolute value, so that is shift height. And then yung first side natin, that is 6.5. Minus sa ikalawang side natin, that is 9.4. And then angle, which is shift minus 131 degrees. So after natin ma-input yan engineers, enter equal. So enter equal natin. So may result tayo dito na 14.52. So therefore, yung distance z natin is equivalent to 14.5 units. So another method dyan, engineers, is hindi magmamatter kung sino yung mauna dito sa 6.5 at saka 9.4. So pwede ring mauna yung 9.4 tapos susunod yung 6.5. So let's try to calculate it, engineers. So ito lang yung gagawin natin. Absolute value. So sa part naman ito, input natin una yung C 9.4. So we have 9.4 minus sa ikalawang side natin which is 6.5. And then lagyan natin ng angle 131 degrees. So kahit magkapalit yung 6.5 at saka 9.4, parehas lang po yung magiging value niya. So let's enter equal. So we have 14.52 units. So therefore, yung sagot natin sa tanong na to, Z is equal to 14.52 units. So that's all. Dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion. I hope may natutunan kayo sa araw na to. And then wag niyong kalimutan mag-share, like, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para mas marami pa po tayong ma-reach at matulungan ng mga aspiring board exam takers. So dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you next time. God bless us all.